Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. So we will begin with the gold. So in the earlier session, we said this like here it may go towards this end, that is for 1694 or 1700, because that will be completing the ABC, and then it may go towards upside, right? One sec, guys. So here you can stay in the buy side in the case of gold for at least up to the level of 1800 or change. Then it may go towards upside of 1900. So in case of gold, I'll recommend you to stay in a buy, not to sell. Silver. Yeah. Here we said same thing, like it may go towards this, and if it coming towards the lower side also, it may come towards the 22 and 25 20.50, but again it may go towards the upside, because as it is a slower than it the correction, so it may go towards 2500 and 2600 now. So one can look for the buy above the 24 USD in case of silver, not to sell. Okay. Crude oil structurally hasn't changed much. So earlier we said it might be doing the neutral triangle. So again, the structure has changed, but it has took the support near the area of 65 USD. Now, what we can expect in case of crude oil? So it may correct a little bit like this and go one more up. So that will be completing A, B, C, D, and E, or like a neutral triangle structure or some kind of a structure that will go upside, because this is the slower upside, but this is taking some time. So hopefully it will go one up before it can go any further down. So here one can expect it to come towards a 66 or a 65. Then it might go towards a 71 USD in case of crude oil. USD INR. Yeah, stay in a buy. Structurally hasn't changed much. So earlier we were thinking like it might go upside. Now from here it did not go. From this end it is going now. So I'm just changing this structure or just adding some channels. So that will be helpful. So it is again like going upside, but hopefully it will come a little bit down before it can go any further up. So hopefully this will do some kind of a structure of expanding triangle or a triangle. Okay, so look for the buy in case of USD, and it might come towards 74 and 73. Then it might go towards 75 USD. Okay. Now we can see Bitcoin USD. Yeah, it is going upside. So stay in a buy, not to sell. So it might go towards 51,000 and 57,000 as said in the earlier video, because it has given a valid breakout. So hopefully I'm going to stay in a buy in case of Bitcoin USD for 51,000 and 52,000. Okay. And now individual stocks, Nifty. Yeah. As in the earlier week, we have discussed this, like it is absolutely going as expected. So earlier we said here it might come a little bit down and then go towards the 16,600. That has happened now. Now it might go towards the 16,600 or change, or it might come towards the 16,800. So hopefully if it is not breaking this trend line, it will be going to stay in a buy mode, not to sell as of now in case of Nifty. So again, it might come some resistance phase here at the level of 16,800 and 16,600. Then it might correct little bit and go upside. So here you need to stay in a buy in case of Nifty until and unless it gives a confirmation. Okay. Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty structurally hasn't changed much. Look up to the level of 38,000. Stay in a buy. Okay. There is some issue with the power. So I just analyzing these, and we'll be taking the remaining stocks in next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.